In this series, I aim to give you a quick introduction to some of the plant families found in the UK. Learning to identify plant families is a great help in identifying individual plant species you come across. Plants are classified into families based on characteristics that they share, so the way to identify a plant's family is to know these characteristic features. Today we're going to look at the Brassicaceae, the cabbage or mustard family. This family is still sometimes referred to by its old name of Cruciferae, so called after the pattern of the flower petals found in these plants. Brassicaceae comprises 4,000 or so species of annual, biennial and perennial herbs and occasional shrubs. They are found across the world, though are most diverse in the temperate Northern Hemisphere. Many of our vegetable crops come from the Brassicaceae, including cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, all varieties of Brassica oleracea, wild cabbage. Eutrema japonicum, Wasabi, and Brassica nigra, black mustard, are used as condiments, and Eruca vesicaria, subspecies sativa, salad rocket, and Nasturtium officinalis, watercress, as salad leaves. Brassica napus, oilseed rape, is a major oil crop. There are also many species grown as ornamentals, like Erysimum cheiri, Wallflower, Aubrieta cultivars, Aubrieta, Lobularia maritima, sweet alyssum, and Matthiola longipetala, subspecies bicornis, night-scented stock. Arabidopsis thaliana, thalecress, is used as a model organism in research. Wild Brassicaceae in the UK are all herbaceous or slightly shrubby annuals, biennials and perennials, and include Hesperus matrinalis, dame's violet, Linaria annua, honesty, Aliaria petiolata, garlic mustard, Cardamine hirsuta, hairy bittercress, Cardamine pratensis, cuckoo flower, Sinapis alba, white mustard, the tiny Erophila verna, common whitlow grass, and Capsella bursipastoris, shepherd's purse. The flowers of Brassicaceae plants are borne in clusters and are actinomorphic, regular in symmetry. They have 4 separate sepals and 4 separate petals. The petals are arranged in a distinctive cross pattern, and they are usually white or yellow, sometimes pink or purple. There are normally 6 stamens, 4 longer and 2 shorter. The flowers are insect pollinated. The ovary is attached above the rest of the floral parts, so is superior, and it ripens into a dry capsule fruit with 2 sections, one on each side of a membrane. These fruits split along 2 valves, away from the membrane, releasing the seeds. The fruits of some species have what's called a beak on the end. The shape and size of the fruits, and whether or not they have a beak, are important ID features for individual species. Brassicaceae leaves are arranged alternately on the stems, and many species have a basal rosette of leaves. The leaves are most frequently simple, undivided, though some species have compound or divided leaves. The leaf margins may be entire, toothed, or lobed. Chemical compounds in their tissues give Brassicaceae plants a cabbagey or mustard smell when crushed. This is also what gives them their recognizable flavor. So, a plant with flowers that have 4 separate petals in the shape of a cross, 4 separate sepals, 6 stamens, 4 long and 2 short, and a superior ovary, dry fruits with 2 valves and a central membrane, alternate leaves, and a cabbage smell is most likely to be in the Brassicaceae. Look out for these 3 species in your local area. Cardamine pratensis, cuckoo flower, a delicate plant with compound leaves and pale pink or white flowers, and elongated cylindrical fruits. Linaria annua, honesty, a larger plant with triangular toothed leaves, purple or pink flowers, and flattened oval fruits that become papery when mature. And Capsella bursipastoris, shepherd's purse, with a rosette of lobed leaves and spreading stems with small white flowers and heart-shaped fruits.